Welcome to my channel. I am still repairing this Vivacity scooter. The start button is missing. Here I only found two wire, those for the start button. I already installed the battery, 12 volt 4 ampere battery. It works, the starter works, so now we will try to make a homemade button here. I will unscrew those two screws, one on the top and one on the bottom, and we will see, we will find the button that fit in this enclosure. I removed the front cover, so the button will be fixed here with two screws, and the cable must be passed from those two nuts here. Now I bring this cover here. I will choose a button from those. I have here some small button, push button, and those are the switch, thumb switch. So this one works great, but it can't fit here inside this room. I will try to find the smaller one, and we will use this rubber. It's from the bike tire for waterproofing. It will be fixed from the inside to prevent water from entering to the electronic. So maybe I will. It has a ruler, this limit switch. Now it will be fixed in this position, and we must add some. We must cut the rubber here, and will be fixed by silicone or or glue. So I will try to use small quantity. We will test this width first. And we will see if we can insert this button. We almost inserted here. It worked, but it stayed on. Now it worked fine. We have here the two wire. I will solder two new wire, and this wire must be isolated from the ground. Maybe they use the chassis as a ground. It's flush with this metal, so I will try to maybe use a thin rubber. Now it works fine. I will try to. I will add some silicone here, of course. And we must fix this switch by a screw here. We have two tiny screws. Maybe I will make a metallic bracket here in this format, for example. It must be angled here with a hole here to be fixed by a screw. It will be fixed in this place, and maybe it can have another part here, so we can make this metallic bracket to fix this button. And I will solder two wire, and those two wire will be soldered to the existing wire. Now it works fine. And I will add some silicone here to add more waterproofing. I will add some silicone, then I will put this rubber inside, so it can, this piece, this part will be closed for the water, it will be proofed. Now I will make the metallic bracket. I will use this metal bracket. It's from a computer case. It will end its life inside this part of the bike. It already has a hole here, so we must, before bending this sheet metal, we must find the dimension. We have here 1 centimeter. I will try to read exactly what I need. Maybe 8 millimeter here, 8 or 9 are okay. So the height, this one is 8 millimeter. The width maybe from the center of the hole, it will be 1.6 millimeter, 16 millimeter. Will be 16 millimeter. So this side here 16 millimeter, and here we can use 1 centimeter maybe. Okay, this part 1 centimeter. So the bend must be angled because we can't fit it here. It must be angled, and it must be cut because here we have this switch, this pin. Either we can reduce the width or angle the bend. So here we can maybe we'll make a notch here for this pin. So we have all dimension. We have another dimension here. This distance from this angle and the hole, the tiny hole. It must be 7 millimeter. So we must make the first bend and try. So from this edge, the center, we have 7 millimeter here. We will make the first bend, then we will try to make the other. I make the first bend, it's okay. Now I will try to make the other one. Now I will cut the I finished forming this bracket, this metallic bracket. It's almost the same as the drawing we did before. Now we will test the fitting. It fits nice here in this position. Maybe it's not aligned enough, but we can put a little screw here. And I made the cut here to prevent this pin from touching the case, the metallic bracket. Also I will isolate this pin from this enclosure because as you can see here, I have the schematic of the starter part. Here we have the battery, 12 volt battery. We have the fuse, 5 amp fuse. Then we have the main switch. This one, number 2, is the main switch. Here we have the contact of the brake, two contact. You must action the brake before pushing the start button. This one is the start button, and this is the relay to activate the starter. So if one from those two pins from the button touch the ground, this fuse will blow, the 5 amp fuse. So it must be isolated. They maybe use the chassis of the scooter as a ground, as they did for the cars. I will isolate them and I will test them before assembling this part. Now I will find the screw that will be fine here. I will make a bend here to see the maximum length of the thread. So we have the maximum length is this one, about 7 millimeter or 8 millimeter. I will grab the box of the screw. This box of screw. This is the box of the screw, and we will test together to find the one that can fit there. We will see if there is a screw with a washer already, like this one. This one has a washer. I will try to. It can't. Maybe this one is magnetized. No, this one is not. I will grab another screwdriver. This one is okay. It's magnetized. So we can try to test. It's not properly inserted. Maybe this one. I will try with this one. This one is okay. Yes, it goes. And it has a little washer inside. So we will use this one to fix the metallic bracket. Now it's time to solder two wire to this. I will action the soldering iron. I will solder here two wire. I must find. We clean this part from the dust. Now I will put some silicone here to do the waterproofing. The excess will be removed. Now I will put the rubber. The rubber must be on this side. Now I will put the button. We can add some tape. We will make a few turns, 3 or 4 turns. Now we will install the button in its place. It's pushed there. We will try with this. It works. Now I will remove the screw and we put the bracket. And we put this metallic bracket here and we will try to insert the screw in its position. Yes, it's inserted. Now it's held in place. I must remove the excess. Use 2 hands. Now we will test the button. It's from this side, not this side. Okay. It's okay. Now I will install this in the scooter and I will solder the wire. The 2 wires now are soldered together. Now I will heat this heat shrink. We will heat the shrink tip with the soldering iron. I'll do this one. Now I will warp all those wires with the tape, electrical tape. Now we will do a test. We put the key, we activate the brake, then we push the button. As you can see, it's totally working now. And the screen also is okay. Sometimes it's flicker. As you can see, the button now it is working properly. Also the screen is repaired. Sometimes it flicker. If it continue flickering, we will do a repair for this counter. Now we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.